This video is brought to you by tbirdbob.com, your source for 2002 to 2005 Ford Thunderbird parts. I wanted to share a new product we've got on T-Bird Bob. It's a replacement armrest. This is actually the replacement. I just kind of put it on here just so you can see it's 100% leather, genuine American calfskin. As you can see, it's been custom stitched to specifically fit on the Thunderbird armrest. I'm going to pull the leather off just to show you. This is an original. As you can see, they get very torn up and worn, and it's really beyond any kind of repair or patching. We now sell these replacements, and it's not too difficult to get them on. You just have to take the armrest apart. There's 4 screws in there. You get it off, slip the new one on. It does take a little time. So what you want to do is glue up one side, contact cement, and get the other side. Pull it over, get it looking all nice, put it back on, and you're back in business. This item is on our website. It's available for $250, including shipping. Extra fee. I'd be more than happy to install it for you on your existing armrest. Thanks for watching.